Today we're going to show you how to remove a trail permit off of a snowmobile windshield without damaging the plexiglass windshield. You don't have to take the windshield off the snowmobile, but I'm going to in this case because I want to really clean it up. You'll see there's a lot of scratches on this windshield and I want to fix those up while I have it off. Start with a heat gun or a hairdryer and then heat the decal just to soften up the adhesive behind the decal. There's a thin layer of laminate on top of the decal. You want to make sure you don't peel that off cold because it'll leave everything behind it, including the print, and that makes it really hard to get to clean off. So what I do is I heat it up and I pick away at the edges of the decal until I see the whole decal coming off the glass. Then once I'm satisfied, I'll peel that back, and as you can see here, not all of it came off, but most of it did. Then I take googone or any adhesive remover, but you can see if you put it on the windshield, it just runs right off the surface. A better way to do it is to overlay a paper towel and then soak that paper towel with the googone and let it sit for a couple minutes to soak in. The paper towel will keep the googone on the decal and really penetrate that adhesive. Then you just wipe it away very carefully, not to scratch that windshield. And it's looking pretty good. And then I finally take a degreaser like Super Clean and just do a final wipe up on the windshield. This windshield's 9 years old, so it's got a lot of scuffs and marks. So let's clean it up using Meguirs PlastX polish. This stuff's great, I love it. Squirt a little on the windshield or a soft rag and then buff it to a haze. Once that haze is there, take another soft clean cloth and polish it to a shine. Repeat as necessary until all the scratches and scuffs are gone to your satisfaction. It's that simple. Now just get out and ride.